Hi YouTubers, how are you today? Today is November 30th, 2023, the last day of the month, guys. And I'm about to make a simple, easy, and delicious recipe. But wait, I need y'all to go and subscribe to my channel. Give me a comment. Tell me how things been going for you this year, because it's almost over. We got 31 more days before it's over. But let's get to this recipe. But don't forget, go and subscribe to this channel, guys. You've been missing it. If you are not hearing my voice, you are missing it. Okay, don't leave. Here we go. Let's do it. Don't leave. Don't leave. Let's do it. I got 3 beautiful pork chops, some onions, some aluminum foil, cream of mushroom soup, pepper, soul seasoning, and Badia complete seasoning with a little glass of water over there, because we're going to use that for our can to take it out. All right, guys, it's going to be simple, easy, and delicious. It's good with rice. It's good with mashed potatoes. Anything starchy you can put with these pork chops. Simple, easy, and delicious. Cream of mushroom pork chops. Now, let's do this, guys. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, let's do it. All right, guys, I'm going in with my soul seasoning, but I've been getting a lot of people ask me where to get it. Now, I'm in Michigan, and I go to a store called Greenfield Market. They have it all the time in this brand here, the Spice Superior. They have it. And there's nothing in here, guys, but salt, garlic, paprika, onions, and spices, including black pepper and red pepper. So that's why when I use it, I use like these two here. Or I'll try like an onion powder and put some more to it. So I'm going to use the complete and the soul seasoning on my pork chops. And it's going to be complete because I got everything on there. Just make sure that you season them up good, front and back. If you want oil on them, you can put some on there to hold your seasonings. That works. Okay? So I'm seasoning them up real well, even around the rim of them, so they'll be tasty. And this seasoning is to taste. If you don't want to put anything on there, you don't have to, but I'm going to put something in mine. I did spray my pan down that I'm going to use, and I cut up an onion, and I'm going to use that. And it's very easy recipe, like I said. Okay? After you season them up, I sprayed this down, and I'm just going to lay my onions down on the bottom. If you want more, cut more. Cut your 2 onions, whatever you want. Okay? Now we're going to put these in. All right, guys, I think I am going to put a little olive oil on them. And I'm going to go in with a little more seasoning. They looked pretty dry to me. Okay? So I'm just going to add a little more of that complete and a little bit more of that soul seasoning. Okay? I'll be right back. Okay? We're going to go in with our beautiful pork chops. Look at those beautiful pork chops, guys. It's just 3 of them in here. Okay, we got those babies in there nice and neat. And what we're gonna do next is this. Let me wash my hands. All right. Cream of mushroom soup. Cream of mushroom pork chops. Just like that. Now, if you had about 10 or 12 pork chops, you may need more than 1 can, just depending on how many people you're feeding. Okay. So what I want to do next is this. Pour that water in and get all that love out of that can and pour it right into our dish. Okay, you're going to cover this up, and we're going to start off with 1 hour of cooking and take it out of the oven. Okay, see how that's looking? Go ahead and make y'all rice while your pork chops are cooking. I'll be right back. All right, see it? Happy with your seasoning? Let's go and just cover it tight so nothing gets out. All the love stays in for 1 hour, and I'll be right back. I forgot that I want some extra mushrooms on mine, guys. I forgot. And I opened my can up. But it's nothing. You don't have to. That's optional. But I came back to let you guys see me put it in there. Okay? Now, I'll be back in an hour. All right, guys, I'm back. And that's what our pork chops are looking like. They don't look the prettiest, guys. But let me show you how to serve this up, okay? Let's do this. Switch over here. I'm going to put it right on this plate like that. And I'm serving it with some collard greens and cheesy risotto is what's on here. Check out this plate, guys. That's $1 million plate there. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video with this pork chops with the cream of chicken, that's what it is. Pork chops with cream of chicken. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and have an awesome day. Voila! Bye-bye.